All right, so now I have my Turbo Exocet running good enough that I was finally able to take my mom and my wife for a ride in the car. These are the first passengers I've actually had in the car since I have it turbocharged and pretty much completed now. So I thought, why not take some video while I'm doing it? So here's the footage of my mom and my wife on their first ride in the Exocet. So are you excited to go for your first ride in the Exocet? Yes. It's not fast. It's like a Momentum. It just handles really well. It looks fast, but it's not. It's just a little Miata engine.
You shouldn't go too fast on a residential road anyway.
No, I can't. We're just going to go out on Brookwood here. Okay. And we'll go kind of make the loop around the neighborhood.
Cool.
Ready? All right, let's get in. Try to stand up into it.
Oh, this, I can't with my leg.
Okay.
Yep. What's that?
Okay. This is a training belt.
It's my anti-submarine belt.
That's what it's called. Keeps you from going under.
Oh, no harness though?
There is.
Oh.
There's 5
my
points of
goodness. You do this better.
Oh, I got the other one.
My goodness.
Okay. Here. Okay.
These feel tight.
You want to hold on to those.
They do? Tighter than this?
Yeah. Tight. You don't want to be able to move in the seat. Yeah. Down. Pull down. Both of them at the same time.
I don't have as much strength as I did.
You want to hold on to those because they'll fly on the car.
Okay. I'm not going nowhere. This is cool. I get to ride in it finally. Why is the steering wheel not attached to it?
I can't get in without it.
Oh. Definitely have to be limber. Everything else, at least I can flop in like a fish.
Yep. So we'll just go down and around this cul-de-sac and then we'll go over and go up on Brookwood.
Okay.
Make it. It's pretty abrupt, like the start and stop, just because of the light flywheel. It backfires a lot and stuff too, but don't.
Is that normal? Or is it not?
Yeah, it's just the chain and the turbo.
You almost need goggles.
I think I'm going to get a helmet because there's just so much wind and stuff.
My eyes are just watering.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to let you get on the road.
This road's getting busier and busier.
It is. When I have to go that way, left, I just get front shoot for the center lane. I can never get across both. It's hard.
Did you feel the back end kick out there? Yeah. On that one, I had to let out the gas because it started going sideways.
It did. Well, why did it do that? Because we were going so fast.
Just peeling out. I lost traction. When I hit second, I started going, and then when I hit full boost, the back tires lit up.
And that was when you were going so fast I couldn't open my eyes. I want to see what's going on. Where did she go? I wonder.
She's right there. You okay? You got it?
No,
it's not that hard to get. See, that's what I was trying to say earlier. Just stand on it because it's only a 4-inch step.
Wait, the reason is I just have to keep this leg straighter because I can't bend it. My goodness, I said when you get going, the water's just pouring out of your eyes. You can't see a thing.
Right here, like after you pull out. I thought you weren't going that fast when you went by me.
I'm going 40, 50, 60. All right, so what do we think of the ride?
Fast!
But I liked it. It wasn't too fast. At least.
Too fast?
It wasn't fast until we kind of started to spin around.
Well, that happens. You know, what can you do?
I liked it.
Maybe Brookie? Brookie, you going for a ride next?
Okay.
You go for a ride with
No?
Daddy?
Okay.
Say
Guess
no.
not.
She's going, just smiling. But it was good.
Yeah.